Socializing 85. I read a news article a while ago, which I wanted to briefly discuss. It reported on interacting in a positive way with colleagues at work, in order to function as a team. It is important to understand that Islam does not demand Muslims to completely get along with all people. As people have been created differently, and possess different characteristics, it is not possible to get along with everyone. Because of a difference of mentalities, people will always disagree with others who possess a differently mentality. The only person who may be able to achieve this is a two-faced person who changes their behavior and attitude depending on who they are with. But even this person will eventually be exposed by Allah, the Exalted. Just because a person does not get along with others, it does not mean they dislike them. It only means they differ in their attitudes and behavior. Just like a schoolchild who is not friends with every child in their class. It does not mean they dislike those who they are not friends with. Therefore, a Muslim should not become sad if they do not get along with everyone, even their own relatives. But it is a duty on all Muslims to treat all others with respect and fulfill the rights of each person, even if they do not get along with them, as this is an important characteristic of a Muslim. This is what Islam commands, and if one acts in this way with everyone, then they will find their interactions with people peaceful and beneficial in both worlds despite their differences.